Hello Year 4, it's lovely to see you again. Welcome back to another lesson looking at Sikhism in RE. I hope you're well. This lesson we are doing a writing lesson, so you should be used to doing these from last half term. And our writing lessons always start with a quiz. And you can see the questions on the screen here, but I'd like you to have a go at that in your booklet. So we're going to pause the video and then we're going to play it again and we're going to go through the answers. Okay, which word means selflessness and helping others? Is it Kanda, Guru or Seva? And it's the word Seva. What is the name of the person who reads the Guru Granth Sahib? And that is a Granthi. And what is Langar? Is it the need to give money to charity, the reading of the Guru Granth Sahib, or the free food offered at Gurdwaras? It is, of course, the food offered at Gurdwaras. That's what we looked at last lesson. Now, when we write these paragraphs, it's kind of a multi-step process. So I'll talk you through it. I'll do a bit of writing with you, and then I'll leave you to finish off the paragraph yourself. So we always start with a topic sentence, and the topic sentence can form the first sentence of your paragraph, and you can reword it if you want. But in this case, our topic sentence lays out a very neat idea. It lays out a very straightforward idea. So it says, for the Sikh community, the Gurdwara is a very important place. It is where they can meet, but also where they can practice seva. So in order to write this, we're going to need to remember what the word seva means. And we're also going to need to ask what it means by the Gurdwara being an important place. And seva means selflessness. It means charity. It means putting others first. That's what selflessness means. If you're being selfless, it means that you put someone else before yourself. You put someone else in front of you. And to help us with this, we've got 3 points that we are going to then plan in these 3 sections. Write out our full. So the first, let's go through the 3. No, let's do it point by point. Why do Sikh people meet at the Gurdwara, and what do they do there? Well, let's go back and look. The Gurdwara, okay, so that was the Sikh building of worship, like this one in London and this one in Birmingham. And we looked at what it looks like, but we did also look at what they do there. So what are the people doing in this picture? They are praying. They are having the Guru Granth Sahib read to them. They are also meeting together. If you remember from the video that we watched, they would use this as a place of meeting, a place of community. And then we can think about Langar and we can think about selflessness. But primarily, the Gurdwara is a place of worship. So, why do Sikh people meet at the Gurdwara and what do they do there? Sikh people meet at the Gurdwara to pray and worship and hear the Guru Granth. Ooh, have you spotted I've made a mistake? The Guru Granth Sahib is the name of a book, and so therefore we always need to use capital letters. Guru Granth Sahib read. Okay, Sikh people meet at the Gurdwara to pray and hear the Guru Granth Sahib. Now this is just the plan for our paragraph, so when we come to write the paragraph we can expand a little bit more on that, like who reads it, for example, the Granthi reads it, and how do they show respect to it? They show respect to it by having it sit under that canopy. Okay, why is the Langar so important at the Gurdwara and how does it help to bring people together? So what we need to do first in this point is just very briefly explain what Langar is. So the Langar is the free food given out at Gurdwaras. It brings people together. I wonder why. Well, it helps them to eat in one place and be equal to one another. Do you remember in the video they said that they all sit on the floor at the same time to make sure that no one is sitting above anyone else, no one has a higher status than anyone else? Right, the last one I'm going to leave you to do yourself. So the last one says, how do Sikh people show the practice of seva through langar? If we remind ourselves, this langar is not just limited to the Gurdwara. They go and they give it out in the street as well. They give it to anyone, whether they are Sikh or any other religion or of no religion at all. And that is part of seva. Selfless action, helping others, not putting yourself first, means going out, helping people who are needed and providing them with the food that they need. So the question or the point that we have to discuss is, how do Sikh people show the practice of seva through langar? And that is the answer. It's all about charities, about helping people, going out to where people are and helping them. That's going to be your point 3. Then you're going to write your paragraph. So you're going to start off with your topic sentence. So you're going to write point 1, point 2, and point 3. And you're going to put in a bit more detail than you have here in your plan. And that's going to be absolutely beautiful. I would love to read some of those paragraphs when you've done them. If you're proud of them, you can send them through on email. And the next lesson, we are going to start looking at, we are going to look at a Sikh wedding, which should be really interesting. Sikh weddings are amazing events, very colourful, very exciting. So I look forward to speaking to you next lesson. Have a great rest of your week and a nice weekend, and I'll speak to you later. Goodbye, Year 4. Bye-bye.